Preset channels 1 through 6 of the current band are considered SmartFavorites channels. The SiriusXM vehicle tuner automatically buffers the broadcast audio content of the SmartFavorites channels in the background. You can even rewind and replay up to 30 minutes of any of the missed news, talk, sports, or music content on SmartFavorites channels. When tuning in a SmartFavorites channel, songs will be played from the beginning of each track called TuneStart. You can disable and enable TuneStart by entering into the tab, then select Setup, and then arrow down to TuneStart. Here you can turn TuneStart off or back to on. When we select the back arrow, you'll see another great feature called TuneScan. TuneScan is a feature that plays samples from the starts of multiple buffered songs from each of the SmartFavorites channels that predominantly play music selections. You have easy access to a large sampling of music content and can enjoy hearing a full song by stopping the scan on a song of interest. Simply select the tab and then select TuneScan. You'll see the TuneScan begin. Now, we could select TuneScan to stop on this station, or wait till it gets to another station's song. Now we can simply see what song is currently playing. Okay, we'll stop on this song by selecting TuneScan. Now, it will stop and continue to play that specific song as soon as we select play. Now you can listen to your favorite music just that easily.
Kenwood.